All the baddies have been using flaxseed gel for styling and pre-pooing, and I had to jump on board. If you follow me, you know I've lost some hair. I'm going to start doing natural hair care products to promote hair growth. In order for hair to grow, we must reduce breakage. This flaxseed gel is full of mucilage, a slippery natural conditioner that softens the hair, reduces friction, makes detangling easier, and prevents snapping at the end. Now, this is 2 videos in one. One is a gel, you can wear just out defining your curls, and one for a pre-poo. This will be more for a pre-poo or gel, and this is for just a pre-poo alone, where you just wet your hair and hydrate and condition your hair. Now, my hair has been in braids for a long time. You see that dust? I'm embarrassed, but it is what it is. Because my hair was so dry and brittle and unkept, I decided to go for the spray form for the most hydrating experience because my hair needed it. And as you see, the detangling process was so much easier. I'm telling you, when I took my shower, I had no hair running down my tub, no clogging my bathtub, none of that, because all of my detangling was done before taking a shower. And I highly recommend this step because there's no need to go in the shower with your hair shedding everywhere, when you can just take care of this before getting in the shower, and then you have no tangles, no knots, no nothing. It was the best experience ever washing my hair. The baddies have put your girl on, and I'm never going back. I'm pre-pooing all the time. Let's get into the video. Now, I forgot to mention to y'all how cheap flaxseed are. Do you know how cheap flaxseeds are? This is something you can make at home. I don't know why we keep buying store-bought products, because we was never taught what the earth provides for us. But we are going to do it now. All you need is a cup, and you're going to put half a cup of flax seeds into your pot like that. Now, when I tell y'all these measurements are on point, you're going to get the same results each time, I promise you. For every half cup of flax seeds, you're going to add 4 cups of water. You will then place your pot on a stove and put the flame to medium heat and allow to boil. Stir your pot periodically and watch it thicken. Now, you're looking for that slimy substance, so keep on checking to see if you can find it. Once it's there, you can take it off, because once it cools down, it gets thicker and thicker. As of right now, I have nothing, so I'm going to keep on allowing it to boil. After a few minutes, I can see that mixture I'm looking for, that consistency I'm looking for, should I say. The mucilage, you see that slime, that mucilage on top. That's what we're looking for. As soon as you see that, you can stop it, because it's going to get thicker as it cools down. So here we are transferring it to a bowl. All you need is a glass bowl. I would say glass because it's hot. Don't use plastic. And a strainer. Pour it into that bowl and allow it to just seep right through. You don't need a cheesecloth when it's hot. You don't need nothing. It just goes right through. As it gets thicker, it's harder to strain. So strain it immediately when it's hot. I'm big on never using plastic with hot substances, so just don't use plastic when doing this method. I just can't believe how easy it was to do this. Like, I've been buying these products in the store all this time. I love creating in the kitchen to promote better hair growth, promote better health, better anything, everything. Look how perfect that consistency is, y'all. Look at that slippage. I mean, you can just apply this to your hair as is without adding anything else. But like I said, your girl is extra, and I'm going to do the most. I can't wait to try this gel on just my natural hair alone to see how it would define my curls and just wear it out. But as of right now, I'm going to do the pre-poo method to detangle my hair because it needs extra. Now, if you are going to use flaxseed gel as a gel to define your curls, the girlie said it's a messy process, so don't forget to use this applicator bottle and thank me later. Okay, this is for my revamped dolls who know good and well your hair needs that extra conditioning, extra slippage, extra love, extra moisture. We're going to go ahead and make it into a spray form and make it easy to put on. Now, that shine that it gives with just the gel, it's the bomb.com, but we're going to go ahead and add some oils to this. I got jojoba oil and almond oil, and I added 5 drops of each. I was playing around, so I didn't know what I was really doing, but I ended up adding 5 drops of each oil. For extra slippage and benefits, I've added aloe vera water to the mixture. It's lightweight and extremely hydrating. It softens the hair, makes the hair strands more flexible, reduces dryness, prevents breaking while you're detangling. Can I keep going? It has anti-inflammatory compounds which help itchy scalps and irritated scalp. And if you keep your braids in as long as I do, we need all the extra love we can get. This is when I realized, girl, you can turn this into a spray and make this so much easier. It's wet, it's water, It's all the things you need to do and put into a spray bottle. So I did. Oh, look at that shine. Look at that shine. Look at that shine. The only thing that's left to do is to detangle and moisturize. And this spray bottle really disappointed me. I mean, I had a feeling it was going to mess up because it's been messing up lately. But my Paul Mitchell spray bottle that I had years ago from hair school, this bottle never disappoints, okay? So I immediately got right to work saturating my hair in sections and just combing through gently and taking my time to detangle. And I lost quite a bit of hair, but you know, our hair does shed daily, so I'm assuming that's all my hair that was shedding throughout my whole entire time of not washing my hair. I'm vulnerable with y'all, but it takes traumatic situations for me to start doing better for myself. I always put myself last, including just a regular hair care maintenance. I don't even like washing my hair. Do you see the work it takes just to shampoo our hair? My hair school teacher always said, never say wash your hair, you wash cars, you shampoo hair. So shampooing my hair takes a long time. I got to detangle. I get in the shower. I got to detangle while I'm in the shower. I got to go ahead and get out of the shower and detangle again just to blow it out. Like, I don't like washing my hair, but I felt good once I was done doing it because I knew the end results will be great. And in a while, it takes time to see hair growth. I will see my hair grow thicker, stronger, and longer. And that bald spot that I got, I'm praying it grows back because we have alopecia in our family, so it is hereditary. But look at that hair loss. Yeah, my hair sheds a lot. I was clogging up that tub, y'all. So I don't have to worry about that no more during this process. I sat under the dryer for 15 minutes just to really infuse that aloe vera water and flaxseed gel into that hair with them oils, let it marinate. Got out, and child, I did not know what was coming. I was like, ah! It was spilling everywhere, child. I didn't know what to do with myself. But my hair definitely felt moisturized. It felt so good. I'm never going to skip this process again. Why didn't y'all tell me sooner I should have been doing this? I wouldn't have done it anyway. Take time out for yourselves, ladies. I know it's busy. We have kids. You got work. You got demands. But you should come first. And taking care of your hair is therapeutic once you take the time out to do so. I know there are other things to be done, but you are important. No hair coming out that comb, y'all. So pre-pooing is a great step. I say go ahead and do it. And yeah, stay tuned because I got more hair videos to come. Natural homemade hair videos because they want us to spend money in these stores, but why? Now let me show y'all how much hair I lost. Look at that bald spot. I was so scared, and I don't wear my hair out, but I'm gonna try to start wearing my natural hair out more because now I'm like, dang, I want to wear my hair out. I got all this hair. I actually do care about my hair, even though I wear it under my wig so much. And let me show off my hair if I'm going to take time to do these natural hair care remedies to grow it nice, thick, and strong. So join me on my journey, ladies, to a natural hair care journey to grow thicker, stronger, healthier hair with homemade products. Love y'all. I'll see y'all on my next video. Till next time. Peace.